What's up YouTube? It's your girl TeeCaprice and we are back with another video. So in this video we are going to be doing a how I install my lace frontal wigs. We're going to make this real short and sweet. I'm going to blow dry the hair semi straight with a regular blow dryer and a paddle brush. After I blow dry this part, I'm going to make my side part, spray it with some Got to Be Freeze spray, and then I'm gonna tie it down with my scarf for maybe about 10 minutes. So this is the shedding that I got throughout the whole wig. I'm gonna put my stocking cap on. Then altogether I did 2 layers of the Got to Be Glued spray and then 3 layers of the Got to Be Glued gel after I clean off my hairline with alcohol. So here I will do my last layer of the Got to Be Glue gel. I will blow dry it a little bit and then I will lay my wig down and tie it for about, I think about 10, maybe 15 minutes. And here it is, the big reveal. I wish I had bought my stocking cap up a little further because I can't see the line of demarcation in there. But I never part my hair on that side, so it'll be okay over there. I am going to put some concealer in my part so it looks a little more realistic. But for the most part, I did like the way it came out. I love the highlighted patch that I got in here. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can get a side view, a back view, and then a little shake just to show that it is stuck on there. It held down pretty good. I think it lasted like 4 days when I installed it this time. Well, the install is pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in.